Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of IT knowledge. So today in this video we will make a simple basic web page. By making web page you can also create a folder on your laptop or PC. So by making folder install VS Code, Visual Studio Code Editor. So then make a folder in VS Code and then make a new file. Press shift exclamation, then press enter, then write my first web page, then write heading welcome to my first web page, then write paragraph, press H1, then write welcome to my welcome to my first web page. My name, I write my name. My name is Ali Ijaz. Then press Ctrl S, then press Shift Alt B on Google Chrome. So here's the output of my code, my first web page. Welcome to my first web page. Welcome to my first web page. My name is Ali Ijaz. So for more interesting and computers and tech related videos, like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and fellows so they get benefited from my channel and become a computer and IT expert. Subscribe and like this video and share this video to your friends and fellows. Allah Hafiz.